Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I am Farhana Bilal. Welcome to my channel FP Conceptual Study. Here we will learn different topics regarding English grammar. Our first topic is parts of speech. Do you know what are parts of speech? Parts of speech are the building blocks of a sentence. Without parts of speech, a sentence cannot be completed. Total we are having 8 parts of speech. Number 1 is noun, number 2 pronoun, number 3 verb, number 4 adjective, number 5 adverb, number 6 preposition, number 7 conjunction, number 8 interjection. So total we are having 8 parts of speech. In our first lecture we will learn about noun. Noun is a naming word. It could be name of a person, place, an animal or a thing. Now we will learn noun in detail. Okay, can you see the picture over here? As noun could be name of a person, so here boy is a person. The next picture is of a girl. Okay, here you can see a girl. Girl is also a person. Here you can see the picture of a doctor and a patient. Doctor and patient both are person. Okay, here the next picture is of grandparents. Grandparents are also included in person. Okay, do you know the person who fly aeroplane? What do we call that person? A pilot. Yes, pilot is also a person. Okay, the next one is name of place. Noun could be name of a place. Here you can see the picture. It's of a school. This picture is of a school. School is also a place where we study. Okay, here you can see the picture of a hospital. When we get ill, when we are not feeling well, then we go to the hospital for treatment. So hospital is a place. Okay, this one picture you can see here. We go to take swings, slides, we enjoy over there. So it's a picture of a park, and park is also a place. Here you can see the picture of animals. We go to a place where we can see different animals. That is called a zoo. So zoo is also a place. In the next picture we will talk about animals. Okay, here you can see elephant. Elephant is an animal. As you know, noun could be name of an animal. So, an elephant is also a noun. Okay, the next picture is of lion. Okay, lion is an animal and noun could be name of an animal. So, that's why lion is also a noun. Okay, the next picture is about a monkey. This picture is of a monkey. So, monkey is also an animal and noun could be also name of an animal. So, monkey is also a noun. Next picture is of bear. Okay, bear is also an animal. So, noun could be name of an animal also. Last one, we will talk about thing, as noun could be name of a thing. Okay, here you can see a picture of a lamp. Lamp is also a thing. Okay, the next one picture is of a bag, and bag is also a thing. Now we will talk about fruits. Fruits are also included in things, and noun could also be name of a thing. So fruits are things. Next, the last one picture is of vegetables. Here you can see different vegetables. Vegetables are also included in things, and noun could also be name of a thing. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.